gabi, hello, good evening, and mabuhay, and welcome to the most awaited Hawaiian party of the year. So without much further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let us put our hands together for the entrance of our celebrant, Tita Maria Maidi Laika Masilia Arcanel. Once again, inaanyayahan po natin ang ating birthday celebrant to come here. And join me here in the front, Miss Maidi or Tita Maidi Laika. Come here in the front. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan naman natin ang ating birthday celebrant. Alright, visitors, you may now be seated. Ayan. Alright, today we are gathered here to celebrate the gift of life, most especially the gift of the life that is given to Tita Laikas, who's celebrating her 50th birthday today. This is Albert, and I'll be your host for today's celebration. We're very much honored and lucky to be present here today and to be part of this happiness. Once again, palakpakan naman po natin ang ating birthday celebrant. And of course, before we proceed to our major program, alright, before we start or before we proceed to our major program, may I request to everyone to rise as we feel the presence of the Lord, and to lead us, may I call SK Chairman Major John Ramos to lead the prayer.
Magsitayo po tayong lahat. Let's bow our head and feel the presence of the Lord. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Lord, maraming salamat po sa araw na ito na ipinagkaloob mo po sa amin. Naway mag-enjoy ang lahat at nagpapasalamat po kami dahil ligtas po kami nakarating sa venue na ito. Naway mag-enjoy si Mami sa kanyang birthday at sana hindi na siya umiyak.